Here we go, another drift, and we are on again.
Nice little cod. That's a beauty. We'll let him go, but...
Rightio, and I just got a coral trout here. Look at this.
Yeah, let him go back. Too small.
Righto, Quail, this one's for you, you watching? Big coral leaf. Go on.
Okay, here we are, today's catch. Just a few coral trout. That big one was the one I just got there at Stevens, just here. 68 centimetres.
How many big ones you get, Greg?
One big one.
I think those two big red throats are mine too, aren't they?
Yeah, so Simon's is that big trout there, 68 centimetres. So, very nice indeed, Trout City. Okay, time to clean some fish unfortunately.